Hello guys, welcome to our new video. Today I will show you how to buy Solana in Binance. So at first, open your Android and open the Binance mobile app. After opening this app, you can show the surface. Now click on trade and from this list, click on convert. Now comes the main process. Here, select SOL Solana into and inform I will choose BONK. Now enter the amount and you can see it will convert in SOL means Solana. So 1 SOL is equal to 10792907.3 BONK. Now click on the trade option. It will be processing. Now click on confirm to convert it in SOL. I hope your all doubts are cleared, and if you like this tutorial then please give a like. Thanks for watching.